Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Given the recent spike in cases here in Vijayawada and Andhra Pradesh, the state government here has introduced the concept of a COVID care center. A COVID care center is actually different from a regular quarantine center where corona positive patients with either mild symptoms or those who are asymptomatic are brought and kept in isolation in separate rooms. Today we're at the Sri Narayana Junior College, which is the nodal COVID care center of the state government. Remember, this is different from a quarantine center because there are medical officers as well as nurses deputed to ensure that these patients are taken care of at regular intervals besides checking their temperature. They're also tested after about every 10 days, and if they test negative, only then are they discharged, else they're made to stay put for a longer period of time. Here, we spoke to several such patients to understand what their experience has been like. Remember, this particular center has a capacity of about 400 beds. However, at this moment, there are only about 40 corona positive patients here. We spoke to some of them to understand what their journey here has been like. We are now on one of the floors where these corona positive people are actually kept. Since all of these are positive cases, the authorities here were kind enough to ensure that we wear and we're equipped to deal with it. So both my camera person and I have actually worn our PPE kits. And today, for one, I can definitely say that hats off to the doctors out there who wear this for hours together, because I can easily say that it's not easy to breathe in this. So bear with me if you hear me taking short breaths in between. With me is Dr. Rachita, who's the in charge here, who's going to help us out because some of them speak in Telugu and we might not be able to understand.
Namaste.
Namaste. So are you feeling fine now?
Fine, madam.
You're feeling fine. How many days have you been here?
10 days, madam.
10 days. So and you had symptoms, or how did you manage coming?
Symptoms.
Okay. What kind of symptoms did she have?
She came with dyspnea and cough and dyspnea. She admitted, and now she's feeling better. Since 10 days, she's taking treatment.
And your child, who was just
and her son also got the positive cases.
and your son is resting now, right?
అవును మాది షాప్ మేడం, అది బేకరీలో మేడం. ఎట్లా చెప్పమంటారు?
She is a businesswoman from a bakery shop.
Okay.
She holds business with 15 staff in that bakery. And somehow she got dizzy. She felt dizzy, and she by herself went to hospital and underwent testing. And when she is positive, she came here.
All right.
She's
And what's the procedure like now? They'll be tested after 10 days. What's the procedure like?
after admitting
Before they can be
here,
discharged. Yeah.
After admitting on 10 days, we'll do again the true not test and RT-PCR. And if they are negative, we'll discharge them.
Okay.
If they are positive, they'll be extended quarantine some more days.
Right.
On 14th day, we'll retest again.
Right.
So if they are negative, we'll discharge them.
Okay. How do you spend your time here? If you could tell me a little bit about that.
I'm spending phone.
On the phone. So you keep talking to your friends?
Yeah.
And what's the first thing you want to do when you get discharged from here?
Sleeping as well.
Sleeping. You're not being able to sleep here properly?
Yeah.
No?
No.
You're disturbed. You want to go back
Yeah,
home.
fear.
And you're fearful. But you have mild symptoms, so you will be okay. And have you made friends here? I saw a lot of you talking to each other. That bonding has happened. So do you end up talking to each other often?
Yeah.
Okay. You were in a hotel, you were saying.
I'm working in hotel department as employee.
In Vijayawada only?
Yeah, Vijayawada only.
Okay.
I don't want to mention the hotel name.
Sure, that's fine. Yeah.
And it comes to me from cash. I'm handling with cash actually.
Okay.
Cash department.
Okay.
With cash or some other guests. I don't know exactly.
And you've been here for 4-5 days now?
Yeah, 6th day.
6 days. Okay. But you didn't have any symptoms, but it was always better to
I
be
didn't have
nice.
any symptoms and health issues. I'm normal now. Right now.
Okay.
And they are taking care, very well taken care of.
Okay. Are you feeling comfortable? I believe there are also counselors and psychiatrists who come and meet because, that stigma associated with it. Sometimes one gets depressed being away from family. So do you think that's been helpful?
Yes, they are taking very careful, madam. Actually,
Okay.
they are providing very good food and very nice, very neatful.
Okay. So do you think this helps, or would you have preferred to be in home quarantine and isolation back?
I prefer to be here only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because of the facilities and you're being taken
Facilities
care
and,
of.
it's a little bit danger to my family.
Okay.
The home quarantine.
So at
Better
least
to-
here you are in isolation.
Yes.
And how do you spend your day here?
On full day with my mobile only.
Given the frequent cases of rising depression and anxiety among COVID 19 patients, COVID care centers also provide formal counseling sessions every alternate day. I have with me here some more young fellows who tested positive. We're not going to disclose their names because that's their request, and of course, I respect that. But they're otherwise willing to talk to us and share their experience. You're a student, right?
Yes, I was a BTech student. I was studying third year computer science engineering in Vijayawada.
Okay. And how did you get infected? Any clue?
I was the one. We in my family, my father is the only one who connected with the outside world.
Okay.
We strictly gone through all the instructions of the lockdown and with the quarantine also. I never stepped out of my house, not even once. My father is the only one who stepped out of the house, for work purpose. And that's what the symptoms were started with my father, then came to me and my brother. But they was now perfectly alright. Actually, it took 10 days for the report.
Oh.
I given my samples when fourth or third of this month.
Okay.
They called me on 11th or 12th of this month.
Okay, when your report came out positive.
Yeah.
And your father and your brother tested negative.
Negative.
Okay.
But I was tested positive. That was the miracle here.
Okay, so no one knows as to what exactly happened. But how has your experience been here in terms of the facilities being provided?
No, I was completely alright now. It's been 10 days from that samples, and I didn't have any obligations or any hesitations, any health problems.
Okay.
But mentally, everyone will have some problem, like getting here with being other patients. Personally, when I was here, I was like, I was completely alright. People are coming from different areas, and they are recently tested. But I was, it's been long, 10 days. I was now completely alright. They have recently tested and they are suffering with some problems.
Okay.
I didn't have anything.
So you were anxious that it might
It
add
might
to...
again attacks me. So that was the problem. When I was in, first day or second day, now I was completely okay.
Okay.
I adjusted here.
Meanwhile, lack of hygiene in few of these COVID care centers, particularly in the washrooms, continued to be a cause of worry for the patients admitted here. However, some of them claimed that the concern shown by the nursing staff made up for the same. The washrooms are in quite a bad state, so I believe some of you took that up.
Washroom, here people are more na. Morning every day they are doing sanitization good.
Okay.
After that people are more na. That's why it's becoming very fast.
Okay. Did you take up the issue of dirty washrooms with them?
When we said they are doing their best.
Okay.
They are solving that.
As I told you before, everything was up to the mark. We didn't expect anything 100% because they are doing their best.
Okay.
That was which is not low,
Right.
which is not poor or bad.
Right.
It is okay for everyone.
Right.
So as from our side, we are okay with that.
Right. And what do you think of this concept of a COVID care center, which is slightly different from a quarantine center? You're being also provided health officials who come and check on you. So this is something that it's the first of its kind by the Andhra Pradesh government.
Yes, mostly I think that we should we should not see this as a disease. This is a regular thing like a fever or cough. When I was gone through a test, I was facing a mild issues like cough and cold. After 2 days of test, I came completely, all right, without any medical issue. Taking any medicines. I didn't go to any hospital. I didn't do anything.
Right.
It was completely gone like that only. I didn't know that I got corona at that time. After 10 days, I was completely alright and I was doing all my work, the regular work, and suddenly they called me like that. I mean, you got positive in the test which you given samples, but it been a long time, right? I didn't know. I came out of that also.
Right.
So people should be like, they should take it like
Any
a
other
small disease or not disease. I mean, a fever,
Illness.
regular fever, illness. They should take 2 days. And regular home medicine should be okay. I mean, taking hot water like lemon water, all these, and regular medicines like medicines which we use when we got cough, fever, cold, like paracetamol, the Calpol, all these. I mean, regular medicines will help them a lot.
I'm missing my family a lot, and my children, my brothers, small children, but they are not now affected. Everyone are fine, but some hesitation is there na in that body. That will be go. Then
Because now you've been
at
treated.
that time they will be very confident. So now 2 days. This is only third day.
Right.
There are still some fear is there in their in their mind.
Right.
Day by day, it will be decreasing.
Better.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. Really very brave people here, a student and a young businessman who claim that, perhaps after once they move out of here, they've been taken care of. They're dying to go meet their families. The student here, as you just heard him speak, said that, there is this stigma associated with it. But however, he bonded over that with other people who were feeling the same and he felt better. And that's his message to other people watching here, that do not treat it like a major disease. Just take care, take major precautions, and you will be fine. We've now come to the second floor, which is another. There are announcements, of course, being made, so that people know what has to be done. There's a central monitoring room on the ground floor, as we saw a while ago. I'm going to speak to some more persons here. What's your name, sir?
My name is Srinivas.
Srinivas. How many days have you been here, Srinivas?
From last 3 days.
3 days. And how are you feeling now?
I'm doing good. I don't have any symptoms from last 3 days. They are doing good food and taking care of very well.
And how did you get it?
Through one of my seniors.
And they're also in isolation, or they're in hospital. Did they have symptoms? Oh, they're here. So you have some people to interact with, or are you taking all social distancing measures?
We're taking care and we are maintaining some distance, and we do exchange our thoughts how to overcome this corona and all.
And how are you feeling? Is it taking a toll on you mentally, being away, put in a room in isolation?
But we are not getting any boring because as they are providing everything and mobiles are with us.
Okay. I believe there's Wi-Fi connection also.
Yeah, Wi-Fi connection also there. So whenever we require anything, they are supplying very good.
Okay.
Like tablets, water, anything, whatever we required regarding this COVID-19, they are doing very well. They are very much responsible for every patient.
Okay. And any message you want to give to someone out there who might have been diagnosed with COVID and is very scared? Anything you'd like to say?
Well, there is no need to scare. Take healthy food, take sprouts, and stay away from everyone. Keep wearing masks, sanitizers,
Right.
and if they have work only, they should go out. If unnecessarily, if they go out, they will definitely affected with corona.
Thank you so much, and we hope you recover soon. And so, basic question: how is a COVID care center separate from a quarantine, or different from a quarantine center?
COVID care center literally means the people we keep here only positive, COVID positive, truly at a lab, either Trunat or VDL, proven positive people only will be kept in here. Normally what happened means they got one COVID hospital, that is SFC Vijayawada, one district hospital name. But in that there are mild, moderate, severe patients. Because of this, now the surge is going up, number of patients is being increasing. There is mixing of like mild symptoms because of the severe patients, so they have got high viral load. So what happened, there is one concept that we keep only now when you see all the patients, 90% are only the mild symptoms only. Why don't we take up, so government has introduced this new concept, COVID care center, where only asymptomatic and with mild symptoms, with young people, normally below 50 years of age, that will those people will be kept here, and those people will be monitored. And we have got one team of doctors, they will be visiting thrice daily. They will be checking 5 parameters: temperature, pulse rate, plus SpO2, oxygen saturation, that's more important. That's normal between 95 to 80 and BP everything. So this is a place we will keep all positive patients with mild symptoms.
The Vijayawada collector personally takes stock of the situation by reviewing the status of health of each of these patients and even those discharged.
In Krishna district, we converted 3 quarantine centers into COVID care centers with a capacity of 1,000 beds. So here, mild and asymptomatic cases of COVID positive patients would be sent to these COVID care centers instead of sending them to state COVID hospital or district COVID hospital. So that would mean utilization of bed capacity in a better way. And COVID care centers, all these asymptomatic cases are given good food, and they are given medical care, and there are doctors deployed there, and medical team and sanitation team working round the clock. And state government has gone ahead, and every district has been asked to have this kind of COVID care centers, and nearly 35 to 40 COVID care centers are already established and ready to be operational.
As cases rise amid robust testing in this southern state, COVID care centers with adequate number of beds and a caring environment might soon emerge as the default option to turn to. With Surat Bhisht, this is Anisha Bedi reporting from Andhra Pradesh for The Print.